Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by launching the TV's screen share feature, because this is the only built-in way on many WebOS sets. First, make sure your phone or Windows laptop supports Miracast and both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once you open Home right arrow screen share on the TV, it broadcasts an available device name. Note that name. Next, on your source device, open the Cast or Project Screen option and look for the TV name. This step pairs the devices and starts discovery. Now you connect from your phone or laptop. On Android, go to Settings right arrow Connected Devices right arrow Cast and select the TV name. On Windows, use Win+K or Project right arrow Connect to a wireless display and choose the TV. Make sure to permit screen sharing when the TV displays a pairing prompt. Sometimes a PIN appears, so type it on your device and confirm. Once connected, the TV mirrors in real time. If you need audio only, change the output in sound settings. To finish, test playback and adjust orientation or scaling on your device so the TV shows full frame. Make sure device sleep and power saving are off, otherwise the stream can cut out. If you experience lag, switch both devices to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band and close other heavy apps. If connection fails, restart the TV's screen share and reboot the source device and router. Once done, reinitiate pairing. A single reboot often clears discovery and handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.